All right, so you just got Parallax or you're thinking about it. Either way, let me walk you through everything you need to get up and running. It takes like 2 minutes. First things first, head over to parallaxtools.com, grab the installer for your platform, Windows or Linux, run it, follow the prompts, pretty standard stuff. When you first open Parallax, it's going to ask for your license key. Grab that from the email you got when you purchased, paste it in, hit activate, and you're good. And this is your dashboard. Right away, you can see your recent scans, how many findings you've got, and these quick action buttons up here for starting a new scan or generating a report. Over on the left, that's your main nav. New scans, scan history, reports, settings, everything lives right here. We'll dig into each of these in the next few videos. That's it for this one. You're set up and ready to go. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one where we actually run our first scan. Drop a like if this helped. I'll catch you in the next video.